In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to create Telegram signal channel. So first of all, you have to open your Telegram app. Now you have to click on this pencil icon. After that, you will have an interface like this. Here you have to click on new channel option. Now you have to enter your new channel name. After that, you have to add description here. And now you have to add your profile picture here. Let's say I don't want to add my profile picture, so after that you have to click on this right option in a top right corner. After that you have to choose what option in your Telegram public channel. If you made your channel public channel, so click on here, and if you want to make your Telegram channel private channel, so click here. So I want to make my channel as a public channel. After that you have to again write your Telegram name. If you not have any name here, so you can enter your numbers. As you can see, my name was available here. After that you have to click on this right corner in a top right corner, and now you have to add some people in your contact. After that you have to click this blue option. Now your channel was created, and that's how you can create Telegram signal channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.